My name is Mona, and I'm the Blind Traveler. Follow me along to see what adventures I'll get into today. Today, I'm in Egypt.
Hi guys, I'm coming to you from el-Khalili, inside of here. This place is phenomenal. It's basically one of the oldest souks in Egypt, in Cairo. But this place used to be originally a castle from the Fatimid period. When the Mamluks took it over, they demolished it and it was rebuilt in the 1300s. So we're talking about 700 years old. Lots of cool things to buy. If you ever need unique things to buy, you come here to shop because it's handcraft. It's really cool. And whenever you come here, it feels like you're going back in time. So stay tuned.
If you're interested to see how I travel as a blind person independently, follow me along on my YouTube series, Planes, Trains, and Canes. The link is in the description below.